when a 17-year-old secret haunts the perpetrator, the blindness of love, consequences of teenage pregnancy,
Sir, that child, he's our top learner at the school. He literally won the poetry competition.
Yes, I know. I know he's a hard worker, he's ambitious, but that doesn't mean to from the Bahana. He's got to go America until he finds the Mali school.
Solo ngadalwa mina ngizazi ngimone ngalawa. Lama ngoni sekhaje kushekiswa ngami. Kuphuma nje bakhombana ngami balathanga ematini.
Lo muntu okhuluma ngaye unondinda gcwele lonke lelive. Uhamba kusalasa lonke lelive. Wefika lana wangilahlela ngawe. Mahlaba ngumbanami. Ngingamane nje anyamalale eteni. Unang ngizaba kade bodwa.
Ngasho nje ukuthi manzi nijoze encane. Angindeko yelapha ngagcwala.
Yini lena? Uthini la kimi Samson?
Hayibo nkosikazi.
Ubone ukuthi ngcono ubhalele lipheshana leli kunekuthi uchubeke uthandaze. Lo 9 years sishadile awusho lutho la ku. You need to start practicing what you preach, man.
Hayibo nkosikazi.
a thrilling voyage of emotions, betrayal, love, missed opportunities, regrets, and talent describes the journey of Mataba in search of his never-seen mother in the cities. Will the streets contaminate and swallow him like his newfound peers? What connection besides the obvious with his Good Samaritan city friend?
Why lo? Why ungamondleli ngaphandle na?
The greatest thrilling question in this grilling story remains: will Mahlaba find her?